This 2006 Sienna is a used car I bought in 2016. At the time of purchase, it already had 130,000 miles on it. To date, it's been with me for 8 years, during which I've driven it nearly 70,000 miles. I love to travel and explore different places. I used to go on road trips frequently, and in 2019, I officially joined the Vanlife community. With each trip, I gradually upgraded the minivan's interior, turning it into a fully functional camper. Not only can I sleep inside, but there's also a solar setup that charges the battery for cooking needs, and I can even shower and use the toilet. Ever since I started van life, I've felt a lot freer, no longer bound by strict schedules. I can fall asleep under the stars and wake up at sunrise, leaving comfort behind, experience things I never have before, slow down the pace of life, and take in new sights along the way. That said, the van is getting old. In another 2 or 3 years, it may start having issues that require major repairs. At that point, I might consider selling it to buy a new vehicle or try a different way of traveling. That's why I decided on a no-build approach when converting it into a camper. Aside from personal reasons, I've seen plenty of time-lapse videos showing how people convert their vehicles into comfortable and visually appealing van life rigs, but none that restore a van back to its original state. Most conversions are irreversible, making it impossible to revert to the factory setup. I've always advocated a no-build approach. One day you might need to sell your vehicle or replace it, or maybe you'll just get tired of the current setup and want a change. You might also have a group of friends coming along and you'll need to bring back all the seats for extra passengers. Only a truly no-build conversion lets you fully restore the original appearance. That's why I want to create a video that's different from others, by reversing the process and returning my minivan from camper mode back to its original state. First, dismantle the solar panel. Wrap the magnets with padding to reduce magnetic force. Disconnect the MC4 connectors. Slowly remove the solar panel. Take out the tent. Take out the pillows. Take out the mattress. Take out the sleeping bags. Remove toiletries and the shower tube. Take out the storage box. Remove the battery. Take out the wooden flooring. Take out the carpet. Reinstall the second row seats. Flip the third row seats back upright. It took me only about half an hour to restore my car to its original form. This no-build approach is better for people who don't live in their vans full-time. You can switch to passenger or cargo mode anytime. One car, many uses. In fact, I still have many places to explore, so selling the car isn't in my plans, just a hypothetical scenario. Right now, I'm happy with my setup. It takes about 40 minutes to turn a standard minivan into an RV, always ready for spur-of-the-moment trips. Unlike custom wooden conversions, this modular, no-build style mostly uses cubicle storage cabinets and foldable gear like a shower tub, toilet, and sink. If something breaks, just replace it. No need to dismantle any built-ins. Even if you switch vehicles, you can keep using the same equipment, cutting costs and waste. Whether you need to reconfigure space, restore the interior, or change cars, it's all simple, balancing convenience and functionality. The node build for my Vanlife setup has reached a satisfying milestone. I found solutions to most of the challenges of living on the road, and I'm extremely happy with the current configuration. Here are some key advantages of no build. The no build approach offers unmatched flexibility. Whether for travel, daily use, or cargo, it adapts quickly to different needs without being tied to a single purpose. No build supports Vanlife while allowing the vehicle to revert to its factory state. This helps maintain resale value by keeping the vehicle closer to its original specifications. Avoiding major modifications minimizes wear and tear, making maintenance easier and reducing future repair costs. The vehicle's interior can flexibly switch between sleeping, kitchen, or workspace setups, maximizing utility without the limits of fixed modifications. The no build approach makes vehicles more versatile, effortlessly accommodating various needs and enabling freer journeys. The Vanlife real-time disassembly video has concluded. I will create additional videos to demonstrate the other details in action. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.